Replace the piston foot using a little Hydra-Cell oil as an assembly lubricant. Refit the circlip, making sure that it locates into its groove within the piston. A good way to check this is by slightly nipping the circlip and checking that it rotates easily. Next, tip the 4 balls into the piston. A quick swirl round will locate them in their respective recesses within the piston. The ball retaining washer is then fitted and a new O-ring inserted. Insert the valve plunger into the valve cylinder, again using a little assembly lubricant to minimize metal-to-metal contact. Slide the spring over the plunger inside the valve cylinder. Insert an O-ring into the spring retainer, taking care to locate it precisely in the base. Then slide the assembled valve cylinder, plunger and spring into the spring retainer before sliding the complete piston assembly into the cylinder. Insert the return spring into the spring assembly wide end first. This is a tight fit and can best be done by screwing the spring in counterclockwise. The piston assembly is now complete. Simply repeat the procedure for the other pistons.